Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to change theme in your Android phone. So at first touch and hold on the home screen. Now here at the bottom you can see themes option, then just tap on themes and then tap on top. Now from here you can download any theme as you like. Suppose if you want to download this theme, just tap here and then tap on download and you can see that will start downloading. Now just give it a moment to download it. And the download is complete. You can apply this theme from here. Also, if you want to find your downloaded theme, just go back, then tap on themes again, then tap on menu, then tap on my stuff. From here you can find your original and downloaded theme. If you want to apply this theme, just tap here and then tap on apply and give it a moment, and that's it. You have successfully changed theme in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.